The myths and realities of heart disease. Mainstream medicine often paints a simple picture of heart disease: high cholesterol equals a higher risk. But is that the full story? Break free from common misconceptions and join us in exploring the intricate realities of heart disease. Let's delve into the heart of the matter. Discover how certain foods, rather than contributing to heart disease, can actually help prevent it. We'll reveal the secret power of a heart-healthy diet. Not only does diet play a major role, but so too does lifestyle. Uncover the surprising link between stress, exercise, and your heart's health. We will also shed light on genetic factors and their role in cardiovascular disease. It's not just about your lifestyle, your DNA can play a part too. Finally, we'll empower you with knowledge and practical tips to take control of your heart health. Your ticket to a healthier heart starts here. Unraveling the secrets of a heart-healthy lifestyle. The secrets to a healthy heart aren't as complicated as you think. It's all about balance, moderation, and making better choices. In this diet, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains should be your best friends. They're packed with heart-friendly fibers, vitamins, and minerals that can keep your heart strong. Physical activity is also paramount to maintaining a healthy heart. Regular workouts can lower your blood pressure, strengthen your heart, and help control your weight. Quit smoking today. Smoking damages your heart, increases your blood pressure, and narrows your arteries, leading to heart disease. Stress management is key. Chronic stress can lead to high blood pressure, overeating or undereating, and other unhealthy habits that harm your heart. Lastly, regular checkups with your physician can catch potential problems early on. Prevention is always better than cure. Together, let's keep our hearts healthy.